Yeah. Oh shit. What the fuck?
Wait, kind of hold it like this.
Hold on. Look, your brother's coming. Your brother.
Kind of hold it like. Alright guys, welcome back to the gas channel. I don't really have anything planned for today. I'm just gonna be chilling. Right now I'm gonna get a car wash. And
You won't.
I'm scared now.
Look at me, the fucking little security guard. Daily struggle of TOMEI HR. Gotta evade all the cops.
Evade all the cops. Skid gears.
Evade all cops.
Neutral bombing.
This nigga, neutral bombing, bro. Oh man. Oh. It's a GTR, dog.
Look how fucking dirty my shit is. Not acceptable. Hey, but still gonna break necks though.
Shit, does your shit get
Like the booty car. That shit said decline.
when you broke because you got more car parts coming, bro? Ah, your car getting declined, my nigga.
Why is he doing this shit?
Are you trying? That's how you hack it. Here, twist the knob around. Just keep twisting the knob.
Fucker, break your
What? It worked, bro. It worked, bro. You just had to twist that shit, bro. Broke ass nigga. They got a little Godzilla over here. Then we got Monster Godzilla up in this bitch, nigga. Hey, look, it's carbon diamond. Woo! Gay ass nigga. Do you even fucking vape, bro? Oh. You got a jizz on it, bro. Jizz on it. Oh, shit. Make it rain, motherfucker. Damn, dog. Make it rain, bro. Make it rain. Oh, shit, dog. Oh, shit. Hey, do it again. Do it again. Be like DE power. Where's the HR power? DE? HR. Oh. All you DE owners and HR owners. Oh man.
Can't ruin that plastic.
Oh shit, I think that shit's peeling, bro. HR for the win, bro. Bruh, what the fuck? What are you doing? Why you spray everything so hard and not that?
Can't ruin that paint, man.
Ah, so it's not. TOMEI! Oh fuck, nigga. So we got a new arrival. Who is this? Who is this? Who is this? Who is this, man? Who's this gay ass nigga? Do you know the way, nigga?
I know the way.
What's up, nigga? What's up, man? Oh shit. You're dirty hoe, bro.
Damn, boy. Is this your HR, bro?
And
Can't even. Hey, why you burning my clutch, man?
it suck, man.
Oh, crap. If you guys didn't know, he doesn't know how to drive stick. And he kind of fucked up my car right now, bitch ass. Go. It's about to stall on you. Damn, she's clean. He's on it right now.
Reaches as far as I go. I can't go any further.
You suck ass. How does it feel to be an HR owner?
Feels nice. Feel like I'm super fast.
Now watch my car. Drive that my car.
Damn, fucker, is that a GTR?
It's a little snack right there, man. When I boost my car, little snacks for me.
Not right now.
Not right now.
You're his snack.
Leave it for him.
Nigga, you're creepy as fuck. Hey fucker, is that a TOMEI?
Is that a TOMEI, bro?
Let's hear the TOMEI, dog. Oh shit, dog.
Chill, fat fucking self.
Get gap, nigga. Get fucking gap, nigga.
Maybe I'm macho lead, bitch. You ain't even got no cheese, bitch. Maybe I'm just too G for you. Maybe I'm just too screed, bitch. I can even roll in peace. Why? Everybody notice me, yeah. I can even go to sleep. Why? I'm rolling on the beam. Yeah. They tried to give me 8, got on my knee like Jesus, please. He don't even believe in Jesus. Why you got a Jesus piece? If you wanna leave, just leave. But you ain't gotta lie to me. Even the blind can see, but you ain't gon' ride for me. You ain't even showing me the love you say you got.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Let's see.
I'm gonna count it off.
turbo and boost.
Look at this nigga swerving, bro.
I just took a fat ass L. I need fucking boost, man.
He clowning on you, bro. Look at this nigga.
Hey. Fucked up, man. You should've let me win. Should've let me win for the video.